The candidates test can be used to find global or absolute extrema, and this applies to some closed interval of a function. So given y is a function of x, we first test for local or relative extrema by setting the first derivative to 0. And that gives us a critical point where the slope of the tangent to the curve is 0. And at this point we've established that the critical points are local or relative extrema. So we have a local maximum and a local minimum. And to determine if these are global extrema, we test them against the endpoints. So as we can see, this critical point is also a global maximum because it's the highest value of the function in this interval, so even higher than the value of the function at a and b. And this critical point is also a global minimum because it's also lower than the value of the function at a and b, being the endpoints. Use the candidates test to determine which critical points are global extrema in the closed interval AB. Well, if we look at the critical points, that's these two. And what we do is check these against the ends of the interval. So let's just take this one at x equals c, and this one at x equals d. So if we want to determine if this is a global maximum, what we do is check if f of c is greater than the values at the ends of the interval. So this value is clearly larger than f of a and f of b. So this is a global maximum. And if we check f of d against the ends of the interval, well, we can see that f of d is greater than f of a. So therefore it's not a global minimum, it's a local minimum.